Tonight's tutorial on Java Beginners, and in this one we're going to look at getting user input. Okay, so what we need to do is to import the scanner class. Okay, so to import Java UTL scanner. So when you type in scanner import new scanner system here, this will then come up and ask you to import it. You'll get a line here and just click that and import the scanner. Right, then I'm going to put in here, so I'm going to ask the computer to please enter your name. Okay. So then what I'll do is I'll give the variable for string a name, the string variable a name, more like it, and that will be the input of the next line that will read. I'll then ask the computer to output my name is plus the variable. Okay, so we'll just run this, and I'm going to give it a name of, let's see, here we go. Please enter your name. Let's see, cat. No, where am I going? Oh, I should be down here, shouldn't I? Car. Let's enter. The name is Car. Okay. Run it again. This time we might be in the right place. See over here, it's trying to run. See it here? Yeah. Please enter your name. Banana. And just press enter. The name is Banana. So we've given this, it's asking us for input. We've given it the input, and then it's going to output what we've given us here. Okay. So that's simple enough. That's just input into this and output from the computer. Alright. Thanks for joining me. See you next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.